Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is 1 o'clock Thursday, June 5th, 2025. I been pretty busy getting some things packed. Cousin came over and got a couple of the IBC totes out of here, and then came back and got some 55-gallon drums out of here, which is a good thing. Oh, me at the moment, I'm playing with trying to get some batteries charged. But I just moved around and pulled them off the tabletop. Have to reinsert one. Oh yay, fun stuff today. Uh, anyway, I hope you're doing good, having a blessed day. Um, been on the tired side. Seems like everything seems to be in the other room. But I did manage to get, well, a whole bunch of shredding done. Uh, yeah, packing through. Got a bunch of photos into a box and out the door with my cousin to go to my aunt, and a couple of hats for my nephew and his woman, uh, his wife, the mother of his children. Good woman. I actually like her. Shh, don't tell her that. She's actually done him good, and that's a good thing. Uh, anyway, yeah, it's been a fairly productive day, but I ran across things that made me dig back and think back. Uh, memories. Those things can be awful rough at a time. It is what it is. But yeah, we get to choose what's in our life. And I'm digging through the past, remembering things, and realizing more and more that, choice is really very important. You must always remember you get to make the choice in your life. You know, left ear, right ear, heart, head, and God. Inside that is you. You have to make your mind up what you are going to do. And then the scary part is that consequences come along. And if you ain't paying attention to what you're choosing, consequences will come along and get you. That's kind of part of what I've been thinking about, because a couple of the people that I was thinking about suffered the consequences of bad choices. One of them, yeah, it came up and got him even though he'd already quit doing stupid on Stupid Street. It's kind of like when you get married. You say, I do. And then, if you're lucky, 30, 40 years later, you're still, I'm doing. But you can change your mind and say, I don't. Of course, then the mess gets really nasty and somebody says half. I disagree with that part of it. Don't get me wrong. We all get to make choices. But decide to take somebody's life isn't a good choice. And when you're robbing him with government, why is government in marriage? Period. It should not be. Period. But that's my thought. But yeah, we get to make choices, suffer the consequences. I wish more folks would take the time to look down the track and make sure that the track's still there when they decide they want to jump on the train. But I don't hold it against people who don't want to jump on the train. I don't hold it against them when they jump on the train and suffer the consequence. It's their choice. Everything is. So, yeah, it's been an interesting day of digging through some stuff and, how should we say, dusting off the skeletons of the past. So, yeah, a whole lot of thinking been going on today, right along with a whole bunch of, well, shredding. I need a better shredder. Actually, no, I don't need a better shredder. I need to finish shredding and be done with this one. It is what it is. But yes, I've been trying to put what I'm taking with me into suitcases. And let me tell you, I got more than goes in those suitcases. Yeah. And so I'm trying to throw some stuff into the boxes. And then part of me is going, do I really want to take that? Yeah. All the cast iron. I still want to take it. But then I'm looking at it and going, garage sale would solve that problem. Somebody would get it and use it. And I wouldn't have to worry about toting it around the Philippines. And let me tell you, I got a lot of cast iron. I got 25, 30 pieces. Easy. 25 pieces, I know. Uh, that stuff weighs a lot. Gets heavy real quick. I wouldn't want to be the one having to move that box. Yeah. So I'm actually looking at it thinking, okay, what if I cut out half of it or 3/4 of it? Limit myself to, say, 8 pieces or 5 pieces. But then I'm trying to think, well, which 5? Which 8? Yeah. Again, choices, choices. Bunch of them. But yeah. But I do have stuff in suitcases. There. uh, and some boxes. And there's one of them right there. Ain't got much in this one. This one's actually been, most of what's in here is in this thing here and over here under the computer and on the side of the computer. And a bunch of that's going to go in there and get dumped. But then I've got other stuff, it's like I got a printer here. I don't want to feel like toting that thing across the world. But then again, it's a perfectly good printer. I don't know. Put it in one of these boxes and carry it, ship it over. I've got a bunch of stuff going in boxes. But right now, I still need that printer. I'm still trying to print things up. Oh, Lord. Printed these up today, the insurance cards. One for in my car, one for in my wallet. Because, hey, some strange reason, they act like until you can actually show them your insurance, they act like you don't have it, even though they do know you have it because they've got a computer system that already looked it up. Because they're trying to jack with you. And, well, if you don't have the paper with you, Yeah, they can get you a ticket and harangue you that way. Even though if you do go in front of the judge, it'll be dismissed as just a warning. Yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, I've got a couple more things I need to get done. And I really need to try to get all this stuff off my bed so I can actually sleep. Because, like sleep is kind of important. Just saying, it might be a little bit important. Okay, a lot of it. But I am looking at it as I need to get this done so I can get over and do something. Uh, yeah. Why is there always more stuff to do? I don't know about y'all, but trying to follow plans and get things done. I'm even adding in twice as much time now, and I'm still not getting it done in time. I'm allotting twice as much time. I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy thinking that time actually means something. I mean, think about it. They keep changing how long it is. So, are they even paying you right for your time when they keep adjusting it? Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, found a bunch of papers that I needed and found a couple of birthday wishes from friends and family. I got a bunch of cards that, yeah, I don't know about y'all, but I do miss a bunch of these friends. Not all of them are still here. And that's kind of sad because they were, quite a few of them actually, were good friends. But they've, you know, passed on. And in one of them, I found a $10 bill that my friends had given me. And right at that time, I was kind of distracted because one of my friends had died. Yeah, life is kind of strange that way. It'll reach up and tickle your thoughts, and you'll smile for a second. And then the next minute, it'll tickle you a different direction, and you'll be sad for a minute. But then I remember that the friends that are gone would have wanted everybody to, stay happy, keep living, enjoy life. So we go on, try to make the better of it. We miss them. Wish they were still here, but continue living and take them with us into the future. But yeah, uh, sadly, at my age, a lot of friends are getting old faster than a lot faster than we want to admit to. Uh, anyway, it's been one of those days. I've dug through a bunch of old memories and put a bunch of stuff here, there, and yonder, trying to get things taken care of. I hope you've had a good day. I hope your weekend is off to, well, by the time this gets out, some of you will already be into starting your weekend. Right? Yeah. Oh, Father's Day coming up. Yeah. Those fathers, yay. It's coming up this weekend. I hope you have a blessed one and good dick steak. Anyway, I'm going to call this, get it in the can. Uh, William Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Do whatever you want to do with what you want to do. Make your choice. Live it. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Yeah, lots of food. And well, enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe. Do your thing. I'm William Williams Philippines. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.